But, you know, we go outside, it was overcast.
Yes,
a little
overcast.
cloudy. And
we're starting to see it break up a little bit in the valleys and downtown, but on the immediate coastline, the cloud cover has really been stubborn to lift, and it looks like it could actually hang around as we head into the afternoon. But elsewhere, we're going to start to see lots more sunshine. Right now, we're also seeing those microclimates start to take shape as well. So you can see along the coast there, where temperatures in the 60s. Then as we head a little bit inland, temperatures starting to work their way into the 70s, and we're up into about 81 degrees right now for San Bernardino, and Palm Springs flirting with triple digits. So it's going to be warm today in through Palm Springs. If you're checking out the beach temperatures today, we're expecting to get a high of 70 degrees for Malibu. Santa Monica will get up to about 73 degrees and 74 for Huntington Beach. And we're also continuing with this onshore flow winds picking up a little bit breezy there along the coast, 10-mile-an-hour winds for LAX. And you can see the onshore flow is continuing along with that marine layer. So you can see all that cloud cover still kind of clinging to the coastline. So places like Santa Monica still dealing with that, where elsewhere we're starting to see some clearing. We did see low clouds and fog this morning pushing into the valleys. That should happen once again this evening. We have kind of a weak trough in place, and that's actually contributing to these below average temperatures we've seen for the past couple of days. Today will be very similar to yesterday in terms of temperatures. And then as we head towards the afternoon, we're going to see widespread sunshine. So right now we're looking at an afternoon high in downtown of 78 degrees. That'll still stay below that seasonal average by about 4 degrees and far from that record that sits up at 107 degrees. Here's a look at your temperatures for today. Looks like we're going to pop up to 87 for San Bernardino. Could get up to about 90 degrees for Paris. Staying in the upper 80s also in places like Lake Elsinore. 82 degrees for Corona. And along the coast, we're just going to keep it nice and mild. Temperatures into the low 70s, getting up to about 76 degrees today for Anaheim and 82 degrees for Whittier. Up and through places like Simi Valley, we'll stay into the low 80s and upper 80s from Santa Clarita down to Northridge. 73 for Santa Monica. Here's a look at your 4th of July forecast as of about 9 o'clock when a lot of those fireworks go off. Temperatures should be right around 64 degrees. Looks like we're going to keep clear skies and seeing that late night fog kind of roll in. So here's a look at your extended forecast. We're continuing with this pattern of low clouds and fog for the morning, for the evening hours. Right now, temperatures are expected to stay into the 70s in the metro area beaches, and the valleys will climb into the upper 80s. So we are going to see some warmer temperatures there, but we're still staying below average. But we're going to kind of keep this pattern around. No big changes, no triple digits, no heat waves. But by the end of the week, we'll start to warm up ever so slightly, and we could actually bring metro area temps back into the 80s and the valley temperatures back up into the 90s. In terms of the Inland Empire, it looks like we're going to stay into the 80s today and through the rest of the work week with an abundance of sunshine in the high deserts, mid 90s and upper 70s for the mountains. Sharon?